Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Telegram wallet to bank account. So first, you must launch your Telegram and then open your wallet. You can tap the three lines or you can scroll down here, look for wallet, tap this one, and then you need to click wallet again to launch this feature application. So you can just drag up to simply occupy the whole page of your phone. So this is your Telegram wallet, and what you're going to do here is you just have to focus on the upper side. Good if you have your balance here. As you can see, there is the send, add to crypto, exchange, and P2P market. So what you're going to do is you have to click this P2P market. So once you tap this one, and then they will say, Welcome to P2P Market. These are the features that you can use once you try to access this P2P market. And what you're going to do here is you have to click Sell. Now, if you go to the upper side, you will see here method, verification, and currency. And below, you can see here the price if you want to sell 1 USDT and also the payment method. So make sure that if you tap, for example, fast swap or other option right here, you have to make sure that you can add your bank account in the payment method. So let's just say this one. Then here you can choose your payment method, but since we're talking about bank, so you can tap this bank transfer right here. And then you can now add the account card number, phone number, and then after that, click this add payment method. As easy as that. Just enter your bank account information, then you can use this as your payment method. Now, if you go back to the home page, there is also this exchange feature. So to transfer money from a Telegram wallet to a bank account using an exchange, you can just simply check your wallet balance in Telegram, select a cryptocurrency exchange, create an account if necessary, transfer crypto from Telegram wallet to exchange, sell cryptocurrency for fiat, withdraw fiat to your bank account. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.